The client today asked me if there was any way to solve this problem, because his customer was not satisfied with the tape wrapping results and wanted to cancel the order. He asked me what the solution is. Well, now here's a great machine for you. This is the machine we're recommending. This is a purely electric push-flat spot wrapping machine. This machine will solve the crease problem. Because this machine is designed by push-flat, specialized for small wire diameters from 2 to 20 millimeters. You can see there are no wrinkles. The sizes are a perfect fit. And this machine cuts tape lengths of 5 to 60 millimeters. The wire diameter range is from 2 to 20 millimeters in diameter. Then we'll show you how the machine operates. This machine is purely electric. It doesn't require any pneumatic. So that means as long as there's electricity, you can operate it. This machine can be used with a foot switch or not. This machine is automated with sensors. All we have to do is push it in flat. See? If your tape is acetate with a backing paper, it's also possible for us to add a paper recycler in this place, so it's very convenient. Call me if you need.